Hello everyone. Today we will learn to write the same program in Java by using two different ways. First, by passing the arguments to the main method. Secondly, by using the assignment operator. In the first method, that is, when we pass the arguments to the main method, Java offers the facility to accept the input from the user after compilation, or more specifically, every time we run the program. We can provide a different input value and the output is based upon the input provided. In the second method, values are assigned to the variables before compilation, and hence every time we run the program, we get the same output based on the values assigned. Let's look at the example that follow to understand the above concepts better. Question 1. Write a program that will accept the bill of a customer and add 5% service tax to it. Print the old bill amount and the new bill amount after adding the service tax to it. Question 2. Write a program that will accept the bill amount of rupees 100 from a customer and add 5% service tax to it. Print the old billed amount and the new bill amount after adding the service tax to it. See, in the first question, no bill amount has been specified, whereas in the second question, the bill amount is specified. So in the first question, every time we run the program, the user can enter a different bill amount, and hence we will use the first method, that is passing the arguments to the main method to do this program. Whereas in the second question, the value of the bill is fixed, which is rupees 1000. So we will use the assignment operator to write this program. Now let's see how the program works in BlueJ. Now see, I'm opening the BlueJ icon on the desktop. Once it is open, you see I have two classes. One is service tax and the other one is service tax 1. We cannot have two classes with the same name under a single project, under the same project. So I have given two separate names. One is service tax and other one is service tax 1. Now to open the class service tax, okay, first we will open service tax. Right click, open editor. See the source code, the program code has already been written. I have written the code. Public class service tax, then public static void main. Beside void main, I'm passing the argument, that is int bill. Okay, so I'm passing the argument. This is the first method. Now, based on the bill, we will calculate the new bill amount, that is the total bill. Total bill is the old bill plus 5% of the service tax added to the old bill. Then we are printing the old bill, that is bill, and the new bill, that is the total bill. Now once I compile the program, you see there will be no syntax errors. No syntax error is there. So now I will run the program. See, right click, that void main int bill, that part. See, in this text box I will enter a bill amount. See, first time I'm entering as 500. Once I enter the bill amount as 500, based on 500, I'm getting a new bill amount after adding the 5% service tax. I'm closing it and running the same program again with a different bill amount. See, now I'm giving the bill amount as 1000, suppose. Now see, now the old bill amount is 1000, and based on the bill amount I'm getting a new bill amount. So every time I run the program I can enter a different bill amount. Now see the next one, that is service tax 1, where I am assigning the bill amount. You see, public class service tax 1, public static void main. Here we are not passing the argument. We are just writing string args. We are not passing the argument here. Where in the next line we are assigning the bill amount to 1000. That means the bill amount is becoming fixed. And based on that bill amount, I'm calculating the total bill, printing the old bill and the new bill as done earlier. Now once I compile, here too no syntax errors. Now I will run the program. So right click, void main string args, okay? Now see, here is a bracket. I cannot enter any values out there. Okay, click on OK. Now see, the bill is 1000 as was assigned, and based on the bill amount I'm getting a new bill amount after adding the service tax. If I run again, same way, the bill amount remains fixed. It remains 1000 because it has been already assigned before compilation. I cannot change it like the previous one. Now see, here also if I try to enter something like we were trying to enter in the previous program, while we were passing the values to the main method, we will get an error. We cannot. Let us quickly revise the things that we have learned in this module. Firstly, if the input value is not mentioned in the question, then we have to use the first method, that is passing the argument through the main method. Whereas if the input values are mentioned in the question, then we will use the second one, that is the assignment operator. Hope the topics were clear to you. Thank you.